What's the actual difference between open source AI models and closed source AI models? Because people talk about it like it's Marvel versus DC, but most don't actually know what's going on. So let me explain it in the simplest way possible. Closed source models. Think of OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, like giant restaurants with secret recipes locked in a vault. You walk in, place your order, and boom, they give you the meal. It's clean, consistent, high quality, but they'll never tell you what's inside the sauce. You can't open the kitchen, you can't change the chef, and you definitely can't ask, hey, can I take this recipe home? Absolutely not. But here's the advantage. They train on huge private data sets. They optimize like crazy. They've got billion-dollar GPUs behind them. They're insanely polished. They follow instructions beautifully. They rarely break. Closed source is like getting a Tesla. You can't open the engine, but damn, it drives smooth. Now open source? Open source is like someone handing you the entire car manual and all the parts and saying, go wild, modify it, break it, supercharge it, paint flames on it, it's yours. Models like Llama, Mistral, Qwen, they're unlocked. You can run them on your own servers, fine-tune them, shrink them, stretch them, retrain them, watermark them, build secret AI armies, whatever. You can literally pop the hood and rewrite the engine if you want. The advantages? Full control, full customization, full privacy. Your data stays local. Run it offline, zero subscription fees. Modify behavior however you want. The downside? Open source is powerful, but you are responsible for making it good. It's like giving you a high-performance race car in pieces. If you don't know what you're doing, you'll end up with a refrigerator on wheels. So which one is better? It depends on your goal. If you want raw performance, clarity, and reliability, closed source wins. OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, they're monsters. If you want control, privacy, and deep customization, open source wins. Llama, Mistral, and Qwen are evolving like crazy. Here's the real difference nobody talks about. Closed source gives you power you can use. Open source gives you power you can control. Closed source equals best quality. Open source equals best flexibility. And the smartest companies use both. Closed source for reasoning, writing, planning. Open source for private data, internal workflows, fine-tuning, and building agents. If AI is the future, then closed source is your iPhone, and open source is your Linux box. One is polished, one is customizable. Both are insanely valuable. You just need to know when to use which.